Hey y'all, welcome back to Southern Roots. It's Maya and I'm coming to you with a new protective style. I have Goddess Boho Locs in, and I want to give you all the deets on how to achieve this look. This is the crochet hair I'm going to be using for this install. This is how it comes in the package. There are 6 of these small packages in the large package that you'll receive from Amazon. It is called the Curly Faux Loc. I'm looking at my computer screen because I cannot remember the long name that it was on Amazon. But it is called the Curly Faux Loc Crochet Hair. I got the 14 inch, but you can get it in 18 inches. And it is Goddess Locs or the boho style hair. I'll link the link below, and also I'll put a picture so you guys can see it. But you get 6 packs. In the package that you receive. This is how it looks when it's outside of that plastic package. I got the color T1B30, trying something different. You know, it's springtime, moving into summer. And something about me is I don't always wear color when it comes to extensions and stuff, but I love colored hair. So this is what we're gonna try out. I'm gonna see if I like it. So the plan is to do crochet in the back and individuals in the front. That's kind of my go-to. I'd like my crochet to look rather natural. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I've already pre-sectioned my hair in the front, the individuals, and braided them. Very simple. I just parted it in a little section, braided it, and twisted from there to the end. One, because if you braid to the very end, your hair can get very tangled and it'll be hard to come loose. Second, it's easier to twist and braid, and I was trying to get through them quickly. I did these last night just to save some time. And you guys, I have a video that I'll link below where I show how I do it, but it's simple, same method. Parting a little square, braiding down, twisting, just to kind of create the individual illusion, because I'm here for the individual illusion. Let's just jump right in the style. Real quick, guys, I forgot to tell you. So with the 6 packs of hair, it also comes with a crochet needle. So that comes in the package, and also some cute gold and silver jewels. So these are kind of some freebies that they throw in for the purchase. Now to the crocheting. So guys, quickly, I want to share some details about this braiding pattern that I used to install these Goddess Boho Locs. So typically, if you've seen any of my faux loc crochet videos, I have about 8 cornrows going back, and I save a little portion in the front for individual crochet. But I had a friend who was braiding my hair for this install, and she wanted to experiment she wanted this braiding pattern to provide versatility and a flatter foundation in the middle for the crochet. So I'm always down for an experiment. I do feel like with the braids, so there were about 8 braids going up in the back, 2 or 3 on each side, and then the ends of the braids where you typically like bring it up and crochet it, she kind of, you can see it there, they're interwoven under each other and kind of crochet under the braids that were already braided. Her thought process that it would provide like a flatter install in the middle. So I definitely was excited about the experiment. Made sense to me. But I found is once I was crocheting that although them going up in the back and on the side created that versatility for a nice and seamless looking ponytail, also any type of updo style, the braids being crocheted under each other / interwoven in the middle created a larger surface area for me to cover with the faux locs. And if you know anything about me, I like very natural looking crochet. I wanted to look as if I had individuals in. So I had to use a little more hair in that area than I typically do. And it was a little bulkier, sorry guys, than I preferred. But So I will probably go back to my 8 braids going back, or kind of have the braids going up in the back, but maybe do something different in the middle, just to keep from having to use so much hair, because I do not like a lot of crochet hair, guys. I like to keep it very natural looking. I love when people stop me and say, who did your individuals? And I can tell them, sis, this is crochet. So that's just something that I like. If you don't mind a lot of crochet hair, try the braiding pattern out. But here you can see me kind of filling in that area, and I had no scalp, so I had to cover it up, had to cover the braids up, so it wouldn't be recognizable. But all in all, I enjoyed the style, but I just want to give y'all some details on that because I know that braiding pattern is different than what I've done in the past. Back to the video. So I'm getting ready to install my first crochet individual piece in the front. I'm going to put this crochet here on the hook and close it, bring that through. I'm going to take both my individual braid and the crochet braid, push it through the loop. I'm going to pull it through. And I'm going to take the lock in one hand and the individual braid in the other hand, and I'm going to tighten it pretty good and to secure it at the root. Here I'm going to unravel, feel around, see which way I need to unravel the crochet here and wrap it around that individual braid. This is my favorite method for individual crochet in the front. I don't know, it's something about that wrapping method for me that I enjoy. Now I did want to keep this footage in here because I feel like sometimes we edit footage to make it look like it was just the easiest process ever. But sometimes we even have difficulty. And this was my first time using this crochet or this faux lock here. I got it off Amazon and I struggled a little with the individuals in the front. I almost gave up and I was like, no, Maya, you have to persevere. So I pushed through and found midway through, I was like, I think I got it. It was very tightly curled, the faux lock. So I had to make sure to unravel it, then wrap it, then keep that method going down. The little curly pieces that made this style so cute created great difficulty for these individual locks. It was definitely getting in the way of me wrapping. But as I go a little further in the video, you'll see a method that I showed that helped along the way. But I wanted to show you like this. Sometimes it's a little difficult when you're trying out new hair, but just keep pushing and you'll find your rhythm and a method that works for you. Talking to you guys a lot in this video, but I want you to be successful with this style, so I want to point out all the intricate details that really help it come together. So I'm showing you my brick layer parting here, which is the same parting most people use when they're doing individual braids. I did that in the front. Like I said, I really like a very natural crochet, and I wanted the individuals to look natural. I wanted them to look like they were individually done. So when I parted them, I did 2 rows and brick layering, meaning just offsetting those parts between the first and second row, so I would have a very natural look in the front. Sometimes you have to clip this goddess lock here, or the part that makes it boho, to the side, so you can wrap these around. Gotta pull it out some. Make sure you're holding the twist steady while you're wrapping it, because if not, you're gonna end up 2-string twisting, and we want to cover the braid / twist completely. So as you see, I'm pulling it out, I'm wrapping, keeping that braid, my braid and twist stationary while I'm wrapping. Then when you get to the end, just make sure it's hidden. I pull it out a little, kind of wrap it around my fingers a little bit since I've ruffled it. And hold on, make sure. And this is 1B30, so it's good because my hair is a 2-1B, so you can't really tell. There we go, nice lock. Detach that boho piece, and we are done. Here I'm using my Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Freeze Patrol setting foam. You can use any type of mousse, but I recommend setting this here with those curly pieces that are out, creating that boho look, and the curly pieces at the end. It'll help it set so that they won't get all straggly looking and look really rough as you continue to wear the install. A lot of reviewers said that this helped them when I read the reviews on Amazon. And also at night, I slept with about 4 big twists. I would twist it up at night, most nights. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I didn't do it every night. Just to kind of keep those curly pieces together and so that it would continue looking fresh. So those are just some tips if you wanted to try this hair, or really any type of hair that's boho and has those little curly pieces out. So far, I love this style, guys. I love the color and the style of this hair. I also wanted to drop by and show you my Speak Life shirt. It's so cute, from my friend Alicia Johnson in the Vibe collection. I will drop the link to her website in the description box. Thank you for watching and rocking with us. Until next time.